Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself Santosh Kumar. Today we will continue chapter 6 from history, which is town traders and craft person. In this chapter today our topic is a gateway to the west, Surat. Dear children, I think you know where is Surat situated. Look here in this map. This place have a Surat. Surat in Gujarat was the emporium of western trade during the Mughal period, along with Cambay, which is also called Khambat, and later Ahmedabad. Now here in this map, this is Surat, this is Ahmedabad, and this place known as this place known as Cambay. Okay, so Ahmedabad, Surat and Cambay, these all places known as commercial center between Mughal period of time. Okay, now Surat was the gateway for trade with West Asia via the Gulf of Hormuz. What do you mean by West Asia? In the West Asia there are some country come like Saudi Arabia, Iraq, Iran, Afghanistan, Oman, Yemen, etc. Surat has also been called the gate to Mecca. Why? Because Saudi Arabia located west side from India. Okay. The city was cosmopolitan and the people of all castes and creeds lived there. Means to say that सूरत को कॉस्मोपॉलिटन नाम से जाना जाता था. क्यों? वाई? बिकॉज कॉस्मोपॉलिटन मीन्स एक ऐसा प्लेस जहाँ पर डिफरेंट कास्ट और क्रीड्स के लोग एक साथ रहते हैं. ऐसे प्लेस को कॉस्मोपॉलिटन बोलते हैं. एंड कॉस्मोपॉलिटन मिडाइवल पीरियड ऑफ टाइम में सूरत को कहा जाता था. बाय 17th century the Portuguese, Dutch and English had their factories and warehouse at Surat. According to Chronicle Ovington, whenever you go to port of Surat in 1689, you will get to see more than 100 ships. Okay, Surat retail and wholesale shops selling cotton textile. Surat textile was known as for jari, border jari. Jari means gold lake borders. Okay, this cotton textile had a market in West Asia and Europe. Now here the question arises, how many facilities for the trader in Surat? In the Surat, the state built numerous rest house. The state built numerous rest house, take care of the needs of people, and also built magnificent buildings and innumerable pleasure park. Also have a banking system in the way of Kathiawar Seth or Mahajan. So Kathiawar Seth or Mahajan, this is the banking system. And how apply banking system, how use of banking system? Through hundi, through hundi. Now here the question is, what do you mean by hundi? In general way we can say that hundi, this is the written record. This is the written record. Hundi is a note recording a deposit made by a person. The amount deposit can be claimed in another place by presenting the record of the deposit. Surat began to decline towards the end of 17th century. Why? Due to decline of Mughal Empire.